Creating a factory fire safety compliance checklist is crucial for ensuring the safety of workers, protecting assets, and minimizing the risk of fire-related incidents. This presentation outlines comprehensive safety measures and introduces how eAuditor audits and inspections can streamline the inspection process. Proper storage of flammable materials, chemicals, and hazardous substances is vital to prevent fires. Implementing housekeeping procedures helps keep work areas clean and free of clutter that could fuel fires. Smoking restrictions are necessary to prevent accidental fires with designated smoking areas and proper disposal containers. Ensuring these measures are in place is a foundational step in fire prevention. Fire detection systems, including smoke detectors and fire alarms, should be installed and maintained throughout the premises. Regular testing of these systems is essential to ensure they function correctly. Fire suppression systems like sprinklers and extinguishers must be installed and inspected regularly. Compliance with regulations is mandatory for effective fire suppression. Emergency exits must be clearly marked, well lit, and unobstructed to ensure safe evacuation. Escape routes should be maintained and regular drills conducted to familiarize employees with evacuation procedures. Emergency lighting systems are crucial during power outages and must be tested regularly. Ensuring these elements are in place enhances overall safety during emergencies. Regular inspection of electrical systems, equipment, and wiring is necessary for safety. Electrical panels must be properly labeled and accessible with employee training on safe practices. A permit system for hot work like welding and cutting is essential, requiring proper training and certification. Establishing fire watch procedures after work completion is also important. Comprehensive fire safety training for all employees is crucial, covering prevention, evacuation, and equipment use. Regular drills reinforce preparedness and ensure everyone knows what to do in an emergency. Detailed records of inspections, tests, drills, training sessions, and equipment maintenance must be maintained. Documentation is key to compliance and safety management. Through well-defined fire prevention measures, detection and suppression systems, and comprehensive training, factories can significantly enhance safety. Utilizing digital tools like eAuditor further streamlines inspections and compliance management. Regular inspections and proper documentation are vital in mitigating fire-related risks and ensuring a safe working environment.